See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesgetter.com, and this time around we have this small DJI Mavic copycat called the Eachine e59. It is a foldable drone with no altitude hold, so it's perfect to learn how to fly, and it's also damn cheap, like $15 or so. You can check the price in the description. Banggood should also have it on stock in the US warehouse, so you'll get it even sooner if you're from the United States. By the way, at the end of the video I'm doing a giveaway with 2 of these, so stick till then. This tiny quadcopter has quite a resemblance to the original Mavic, at least when it comes to the nose format and folding. Let's see what's in the package. Here is the manual, you might want to read it. This tiny thing right here is the drone, very small, and this is the controller, about twice as big as the drone itself. A tiny USB charger, some spare propellers, and a screwdriver. I swear to God I was looking in the manual for a way to download the app because I thought this drone actually had a camera. But I guess not. This right here in front is just an LED and there's 2 more above it. It looks cool though. It has tiny brush motors and easy to change propellers. Good thing they painted the ones in front green so you know which way is which. In the back there's the charging port and the on and off button, and it also has some rubbery legs to land on. Now let's see what the controller can do. There's obviously the on and off button in the middle. Top left is the speed control button. You can change between the 3 speed rates. The most fun is sport mode, when you hear 3 beeps, especially outside in stronger winds. But for inside flight I would not go faster than 2 beeps. On the right side there's the flip button. You press it once and then quickly move the right stick in the direction you want to flip or roll. This is very fun to do, especially because you can go nuts and do it one after the other. However, keep in mind that these flips eat the battery quicker. And talking about the battery, it's not removable and lasts about 5 or so minutes, so that might be a problem for some people who want to fly more. Apparently this quadcopter comes with left and right rotation tuning. It's done from this button, and it also has the standard left, right and forward backward trimming buttons. Let me quickly explain trimming. For example, if your quadcopter tends to go forward by itself, then you press the back trimming button a few times until it levels itself. Same for any direction you might go. Here is the return to home button, which I almost never use because it isn't a real GPS return to home, and it also has headless mode. Overall, there is not much to say about the quadcopter. I like the fact that it's foldable and very tiny. Not a big fan of the non-removable battery, but I love how well it flies and how nimble it is. I fly racing drones that go 100 miles per hour, and I still must admit that this is a ton of fun. Just watch me go. So if you want to make a child happy, have fun yourself for just $15, get this little bug over here. It's very affordable and I had a lot of fun flying it. Or if you want to get it for free, then subscribe, hit the bell notification icon and comment anything down below, and you might be picked as one of the winners in about 2 weeks or so. I will announce the winners in a random video of mine, so I guess you will have to watch all of them. See ya later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.